silent pain. No words to speak, no sound to gain. The world moved on, I stood alone, longing for a voice, for hope to be known. Then you came and took my hand, led me where no others stand. In the quiet you drew near, touched my wounds and calmed my fear.
You said be open and I heard. My soul awakened at your word. The silence broke, I found my voice. Now in your mercy I rejoice. Jesus, you restore completely. I was lost, but now I'm free.
With just a touch, you made me whole. Healed my body, healed my soul. Eyes now see and lips can praise. You filled my life with endless grace.
Now I shout what I couldn't say. You are the truth, the life, the way. All around the people cry. He does all things well, their joyful cry. You said be